dumpster rental service in Cranston, Rhode Island. If you're planning a home project, Rockhouse Disposal is your go-to provider for reliable waste management. Our dumpster rental service in Cranston, Rhode Island, makes cleanup effortless. Whether tackling a renovation or clearing out your garage, our roll-off dumpsters come in various sizes to fit your needs. You can count on us for prompt delivery and pickup, keeping your project on schedule. Our team at Rockhouse Disposal is committed to providing exceptional service from start to finish. We'll help you find the right dumpster size and offer flexible rental periods to suit your timeline. We aim to simplify your waste disposal process, offering affordable prices and no hidden fees. From construction debris to household junk, we handle it all with care. We pride ourselves on providing a smooth, hassle-free experience for all our customers. With Rockhouse Disposal, you're not just renting a dumpster, but partnering with a reliable service provider. Call us today at 401-943-6700 to book your dumpster rental service in Cranston, Rhode Island. We're here to make your project easier. Rockhouse Disposal, making waste removal simple, stress-free, and affordable, with dependable service every step of the way.